Good morning kakailian. Dito ni Manong yung adani for La Ilocano News. What a way to start the month of July. Nga datayukat umay tayo third iti ayat kadagiti kabarangayan tayo ito'y Barangay Ugis Nueva Era. This project was kickstarted and conceptualized by the couple of Batak, the owner of the RP Productions, ni Engineer Richard Pungtilan, together with the gorgeous wife ni Ma'am Davy Lin, in cooperation with the MPS of Nueva Era, and of course I encompass and kadwa tayo dagiti big bosses, the CEO and the CEO of the NGT Wellness Center and the NGT Multimedia Distribution Services in the person of Doc Hani Tamayo and Engineer Roland Tamayo. So at the ditilikod ko apo digiti goods nga ited iti RP Productions and agpainom mo ti NGT Wellness Center iti tea, because you have your probiotics, prebiotics and enzymes kadigiti recipients sayo. We have 25 recipients ngam digay sa nga pulo kano guys, mapantay to sursurin ida isun to digiti panagitid ni doktora iti vitamins and minerals. This has been your Kuya Dani, and later on we will have more. Thank you.
Thank